Hello there! Today I wanted to show you an old recipe that has been handed down in my family from grandma to mother and to older children. Cooking for me is like meditation. This is my gift for showing you how living slowly can make you happy and connected with your life. Sit back and enjoy. First of all, you need semolina flour and whole wheat flour. If you grab 100 grams of semolina, you will need 1/3 of whole wheat flour. That's around 43 grams. With this quantity, you will have around 2.5 dishes of orecchiette. You will also need half of a glass of water, but it depends on how much humidity there is in your house and also by the flour you purchased. Just remember to not put too much water all at once. It's better to pour it slowly and than having a sticky dough. When you get a little cute ball, just like mine, you are ready to let it rest for about 5 minutes. This will help the dough to gain elasticity. After waiting, grab the dough again and cut 1/4 of your ball and put the rest back under a bowl. Roll out the dough like a sausage and cut out small pieces. Then, with the serrated part of a knife, push on the dough enough to make it curl, but not too much so it doesn't break, as you see in the video. Immediately afterwards, take the dough and, using your fingers, place the dough on your thumb. This will give life to your orecchiette. Repeat this until you finish all of your dough. It's normal if your first ones are ugly or flat, just try and try again. You will gain enough confidence and practice will make them beautiful. When you're done, you need to let them rest and dry at least 12 to 24 hours. Move them on your board so they can dry better. If you want, you can cook them right away for about 10 to 15 minutes in hot salted boiling water. Otherwise, you can freeze them and cook even when they are still frozen. You can garnish them with the traditional tomato sauce or any kind of condiment you like. So, take a moment to appreciate what our ancestors invented and gave us. Bye!